Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. Today I'm going to tell you about Stacy the Sales Rep. As you can imagine, she makes quite a few calls during her workday. At the beginning of her day, her manager sends her and the rest of her team a list of names and phone numbers to call. Stacy's only assigned to specific area codes. She thinks it can be a little frustrating having to organize her list every day. She needs to find out how to simplify filtering her data out, just the specific area codes that she's been assigned, and she needs to reduce the time spent doing that every morning. Let's see how we can help. Here's an example of a list that she gets sent every day. It's about 999 rows long. That's quite a lot of data to go through. So let's start with turning the filters on. This is going to be on the Data tab, right here, just about the middle. It'll add all of these little arrows to each of the headers in each column. And we're going to start with phone, because we know that she needs to look at specific area codes. Hit the drop down, and all right, now let's just uncheck select all. And we're going to select each one that starts with 20. She works everything that starts with 20 and 70. No, I'm just kidding. This is ridiculous. We're not going to take all this time going through all of these, and neither should Stacy. There has to be a better way, and there is. Let's start with the choose one section. Begins with is what we're going to focus on because she needs everything that begins with 20. Everything here has a parenthesis first, though. Let's make sure we add the parenthesis in here, and 20. Whew, okay, that was much easier. Now we have everything selected that starts with 20. You can see all the way down to here. Perfect. But we also need everything that starts with 70. She specifically is assigned all area codes that start with 20 and 70. Ugh, okay, so let's choose one again. Begins with, and parenthesis 70. Oh, no. Okay, well, all of our data disappeared. What does that mean? That means we need to select or instead of and. All right, now we've got some working out here. This is good. This is good. What does this look like now? Whew. All right, only 85. And we did that pretty quickly. Stacy's time is more than cut in half now, filtering out her area codes. Now she doesn't just have to search for everything that starts with 20, call on those, then search for everything that starts with 70. She can just filter everything in one quick swoop and just start working on her phone calls for the day. That's got to be much better. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and until next time, have fun excelling.